Hello friends, my name is Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friends, today I'm going to show you how to create website shortcut on desktop. So keep watching. So friend, first of all I'm going to open my Google browser. So this is my Google browser and here I'm going to open my favorite website like YouTube. So you can see this is YouTube, and now I want to create this YouTube as a website shortcut. So what I will do, simply just double click over here and drag, and here you can see this is the address bar of YouTube, right? Just click here and hold it and then drag on the desktop. So you can see this is shortcut available on the desktop, right? Here I'm going to click. So you can see YouTube is open now. We not need to type anything over here. Just directly click on that and YouTube open now. Okay, this is the first method. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the second method. So what you will do, here I'm going to take the another example, so that will be more easy to understand. So for example, right now I'm going to open mashable.com. For example, this is a web application which you are using every day. Most of the time, if you are using any website or web application and typing and data entry you are doing, then this type of shortcut can help you. So what we will do, here I'm going to show you the second method. Just here you can see on the right hand on the top, just click over here this three dot icon, and now hover on more tools and click create shortcut. Okay, just right now I'm going to create shortcut, and now click on this create button. Okay, so I'm going to close this browser, and you can see here shortcut is created with the icon. Whenever I will click here, Mashable website will open. We not need to type anything on the browser. It will automatically open here. Okay, so this is the second method. Right now I'm going to show you the third method. In third method is only for who want to just open only one website in the browser. You not need to open another tab or like that. Only if you want to add that website as a shortcut, that things I'm going to show you. Okay, for example, I'm going to use another website. Okay, so that will be more easy to understand. For example, this is WeTransfer. Okay, this is a website for transferring big files one place to another place. Okay, for example, I'm using this website as a web app. Okay, so here do the same thing. Here I'm going to click this three dot icon and mouse over on the more tools, and now I'm going to click on this create shortcut. Okay, so here you can see this check mark box over here. Just click on this check mark box and click on this create. Okay, so you can see friend, this is a separate shortcut of the website. Okay, you're not able to create any new tab over here, just only use for the simple one shortcut for the simple one website. Okay, so right now we are going to test it is working or not. So I'm going to close all the browser right now, and here I'm going to click this WeTransfer. So you can see this is the only one window for your favorite web app. So this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys, so you can easily create shortcut of your favorite website which is using regularly. Okay, and not you want to add another tab over there. So this is the best tutorial for you, I hope. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on this like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if you want to learn new things, please subscribe our YouTube channel, because I'm uploading these types of video every week, so you will get something new knowledge. Okay, so keep watching and stay tuned with me. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can type in comment below, so I will give you the answer. Thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.